What the? What the fuck? Oh shit. Alright. I think it will be like more dangerous than the gun devil, I guess. It's a fucking bomb devil. Oh, okay. She has a
泥棒